This domino set is such a great game, especially when you're traveling. It actually comes in its own little carrying case. You can play this one with 2 to 4 people. We usually play with just us 2, and it's such a fun game for just having a couple people since there's not that many games that you can play with only 2. It has 4 different domino stands, and all of this fits in this small case, which is awesome. So here's what the stand looks like with 7 of the dominoes, and then same thing with this one over here. And then when you're finished, I'm going to show you what it looks like all packed together, and how nice it is. But it's like your classic domino set. They're blank on this side, and then obviously have the numbers here. If you've never played dominoes before, it's super simple to learn. It even comes with its own directions that are super clear to follow, has visuals, all of the things. But dominoes is actually a game we used to grow up playing, so it was fun to get this one. Okay, let me show you what it looks like all packed up. Okay, so everything is just in here nice and neat. I have the dominoes on the bottom, and then the stands on the top, and then you just zip it on up. Like that. Super good quality. It has a little handle too that you can carry it around. But I love this double 6 dominoes. This brand, Queensell, actually sent it to me, and I was so excited because we didn't have a domino set yet, and it's such a fun but easy game to play.